nandito tayo ngayon sa Asiana. Nandito tayo ngayon. Ako boy ka. Hello! Kakatapos lang ng King Chef Challenge. At kasama natin ngayon ang Culinary Solution Specialist na Siso International, Chef. Say doon sa mga dishes na pinipel.
Okay siya, grabe!
At nandito rin ang ating production manager / marketing manager ng King Chef. Ayan. Halika na, picture na tayo.
Group 2, Group 3, please join me here on stage. Palamakan naman natin sila. They worked so hard. You know what? 6 a.m. pa lang, they were already here to prepare the sauces and to make sure they give you very delicious, sumptuous, and memorable dishes. Ayan. Kinakabahan ba kayo? Group 1 and Group 3, please stand here. Para mag-Miss Miss Universe, I will call on the grand winner first. And then automatically, syempre hindi ko na... Congratulations to our grand winner, group number 1! Chef Donald Astay and Chef Melvin Subagdon. Also, congratulations to our first runner-up, group number 3, Chef Israel Alcarano and Chef Ruben Paragoya. Again, our grand winner got 40,000 pesos. The group, Deacon Key Gift Bank, Apple Gift Bank, and Global Strategic Partners Distribution Incorporated Gift Bank. Alright, Sir Mike, as I promised the audience, you will give their closing remarks.
Okay, I know that I hope everybody have enjoyed, and we know that all good things really comes to an end. But really, from the bottom of our hearts, I represent King Chef as a whole in saying we are really truly happy and honored to be here and to join this festive occasion with you guys. We also like to say that to thank all the kings and queens of King Chef for your patronage and let's say for giving word of mouth that really you love King Chef and you come back for more and more of King Chef food. To our trade partners, Likumki, you've been a good partner for King Chef for the last 3 years, giving opportunity to our chefs, not only here but abroad, broadening their knowledge in cooking and also applying what they've learned in the dishes that comes out of King Chef.